Have you ever faced this problem where you are loving a skill like photography, video editing, music, dance, sports and many more, but you are not able to turn that beautiful loving skill into a profession, right? This is the major problem today's youths are facing, where in one type of youths where they don't know what to do, right? They don't have built any skill and they struggle. That's one type of category. Another type of category people are those who want to build skills, who have built skills, who love building skills, and they suddenly figure out they're not able to turn that skills into a profession, right? Because today there are a lot of people who will ask, if you are not able to actually turn a skill into a profession, your family members will ask, relatives, friends, surroundings, so many people will actually ask, and so many people actually around us will demotivate us and tell us, hey, no, it's very dangerous to just get yourself passionate in photography or video editing or into music or dance, or whether it is sports or whether it is app development or any of this particular career. So people will actually tell us, no, you cannot do it. But in this video, I'm going to break down this, right? How you are going to turn off any of your favorite skill into a beautiful profession, right? So is that really possible? Can we really make it happen? Let's actually discover in this video. Those of you who do not know me, hi, I'm Keerthan. So I'm an educator, an author, an entrepreneur. So my main mission here in this particular channel is to help specifically the youth community, because I know the pain of being through all of these particular challenges by myself. And then I said, okay, if I have discovered the solution and made that clarity and understanding, that I want to make sure that I help as many people as possible. And in this video, I'm going to share about the ideas that what you can actually take from to actually implement and build any skills into a beautiful profession. Let's get started. So many of the time what will actually happen, whether you consider it is a sports like chess, volleyball, cricket, football, or whether you take it as a music, right, or a dance, or any of these particular skills that you actually start doing, it immediately start giving you some happiness. You really feel really awesome about it. But if you don't build that forward from there, then it is just a hobby. You might have seen this when you were very young. You used to go for summer camps, right? You used to learn drawing, you used to learn singing, right? But it did not become a profession. It was just a hobby for you. If a skill that what you build is that gives happiness to you, then it is a hobby, right? Whether it is a sports or whether it is a music, singing, dancing, or any type of skills. Most of the people will build a skill like a robotics, but they make it as just a hobby for them, right? They're happy about their projects, what they do. Or some of them actually build coding, but they're happy about coding, but they do not build to that next level, right? So what is that next level? The next level of a skill from hobby to a next level is passion, where it becomes a passion for you, whether it is 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock in the night, 12 o'clock, it doesn't matter. You are on and on about that particular skill. You really want to make that particular thing happen. Whether it could be a photography, or it is a dance practice, or whether it is a playing, right? You love to practice that, right? You love to play that game, right? Or you love to play the flute or whatever the music that what you are interested in. If that energy is there, right? There is an energy that comes from within for you to do that, then that skill has become hobby to passion. Somewhere that skill is useful to you. You take beautiful picture that you show it to your friends and surroundings, and it is not just the happiness, but they also say you're doing really great things, man. It is becoming useful at least to you. You're putting it on your social media and various different places, right? If a skill is useful to you and you are very energetic and you're putting time, energy into that work, then it's a passion for you, but it can never be a profession. Many of the people I see, they take very big cameras and they go out and try to do so many things, but they will not be able to work on that. Guess what? That is when that actually passion becomes a poison. We should never let that happen, right? So, but some people take that passion to a next level. So what is that next level? The next level is that they make it useful to other people. Let's consider you actually learn an app development skill, but you are very happy with the projects you did and you are okay with it and you don't feel like doing it. It just became one of the hobby for you. That skill became a hobby. But if that skill has to become a passionate, means you actually worked on building more projects, you went a little more deeper, but you did not find how to make this app useful to other people. That usefulness can actually be brought by you going into competitions, you actually exploring various hackathons, or you being part of various coding contests and seeing that how to solve a particular problem, right? So that is when that passion will turn into a purpose. Right? If I have to give this example into dancing, right? You get into reality shows and that gets a purpose. Like your passion finds an expression in creating the education or entertainment or creating a possibility in other people's life, then it becomes a purpose in your life, right? So I know why I'm doing dancing. I know why I'm doing singing. Like for me right now, making this kinds of video is my passion as well as my purpose, right? I want to create that possibility in people's life. Whatever that particular thing that I have actually understood, experienced in my life, I want to make that possible for every individuals out there so that they also get to know this clarity. Because when I was in college, I was not understanding what is this skill, what is this profession, how do you actually turn any skill that you love into a beautiful profession, right? So I did not have these equations, right? But once I got this, I want to make sure that it is reachable to as many people as possible, right? Then it becomes a purpose for you, right? If it is useful, a skill that is useful to other people around you, then it becomes a purpose. But now the next equation of this skill is that if people are willing to pay for you, which means that you are able to generate profit from it, then it's a beautiful another level of equation. Because of your skill, it is not just useful to people, but people are willing to pay for you, right? That it becomes a profit. Once the equation of passion, purpose and profit comes together, then it becomes a profession for you. So for many people, they have a passion only, then it becomes a poison. They have a purpose only, then it also becomes a poison, right? If it is a passion only, poison. Purpose only, it becomes a charity or just a poison, right? Passion, purpose and profit comes in together, it becomes a career opportunity for you, and then it actually becomes a possibility for you, right? So this is very, very important. But you need to understand in this journey, many people actually try to find out profits and they will not be able to get it. But you need to understand, when it comes to the profit game, it actually works with this, right? You will never make profit on the first thing that whatever you do, first project, first thing that what you give it to your clients or to the people out there, you make it useful, you are not going to get that. It's all with the attitude of giving. You have to go and actually create that possibility. The word is possibility. Before profit, what actually comes is possibility. So because you need to understand, when I'm actually making something useful to other people out there, so there is a possibility, but you need to bring that possibility into reality. When it becomes a reality, that is when people see, oh, this is really benefiting for me. I got the result here. Now this actually deserves a value in exchange. From the next clients that what you actually start going forward, you have already produced results that will actually give you the profits, right? So it's very important that you have created enough past proven results that will actually help you generate that profit. So this is so important. So possibility to reality, you got to take two things. I always say that possibility, reality, consider this. In between, you have to take responsibility to make this possibility a reality. Not giving excuses that why it cannot be done, why it cannot be done. Many people have the excuses, right? If you keep giving excuses in your life, you will never succeed. People who succeed will never give excuses. One is you taking responsibility, another is you building capability. The moment you actually build responsibility and capability, then possibility will become reality, right? I hope that you are able to understand this. This is so important. Let me actually explain you this back again so that you get complete rephrasing. From any skill, if you just get happiness, right? It's a hobby. You draw something, you're happy with it, it's a hobby. Sometimes you want to relax yourself, you just want to play piano, it's a hobby. Because of a skill that you do, you would like to push forward like 2 hours, 3 hours, 5 hours into mastery. You are going deeper. There is an energy that is coming within to master that work, master that skill, then it's a passion for you. If a passion is there, it's a fantastic thing to start with. But passion also requires a purpose. Otherwise, after some time, where is this energy is going to be useful for? Then you got to make this passion useful to other people. When it is about other people, the skill that is useful to other people, then it becomes a purpose. But if passion and purpose only there, then it will become a poison. It will not become a profession. Passion, purpose, profit. You are able to generate income. then it becomes a beautiful profession. But in order to make this, what you need to do, in order to make this profit, the profit equation, you can write this down, profit equation here. In order to make that profit equation, you got to make possibility in other people's life a reality. You got to get the results, right? A possibility, a reality. And you got to say yes to all the possibility, all the opportunities. Say yes, 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 I want to make this a reality, and make that happen. And once you start producing results, because in order to produce results, you got to have two more. That is responsibility. You got to take responsibility. Before the reality happens, you take a responsibility. You take the risk saying that I'm going to make it. And you're going to build the capability and bridge that gap. The moment you do that, market recognizes you are valuable in this area. Immediately you start generating profits. That's the profit equation, my dear friends. Right? I want you to actually get this. And that's exactly how you build from any skill into, or a favorite skill, into a beautiful profession. I hope that you loved this particular video. So if you're loving this types of video, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on that like if you're liking this. So I want that particular thing happen, which will encourage me to do more videos like this. And also share what was your thoughts on this, turning your favorite skill or any skill into a beautiful profession, and also share it with those people who really want to see this video. Look forward to see you in the coming video.